Hello again, good evening. It's going to be a cold night tonight, particularly in the north and west. In the east, though, we've still got that northerly wind and colder air, so still a chilly feel to come through Wednesday here. High pressures dominating to the north and west, bringing that drier weather. But looking ahead to Thursday, this weather front will push around to the North Sea, bringing some showery outbreaks of rain to the east. And then by the weekend, we start to see some milder air move in from the Atlantic, but that's likely to bring a greater risk of some showery outbreaks of rain. More on that in a moment, but for Tuesday evening, we've still got this weather front clearing to the south and east. Behind it, this northerly wind will bring a risk of showers to eastern coasts of England through tonight. They should be fairly light if you do get caught out in a shower or you do see one, but there's also going to be quite a lot of cloud around for parts of the Midlands, Wales, the south of England as well. And we could see some drizzly outbreaks of rain, particularly over any high ground. Quite a different story further north and west. Northern Ireland, much of Scotland seeing clear skies, and where the winds stay light, we could see a patchy frost developing by Wednesday morning. Could be down as low as -3 or 4 in some Scottish glens. I think the frost should melt away quite quickly if you do see anything, but it's just something to be aware of if you are gardening at this time of year. Through Wednesday, this northerly wind is going to continue to bring cloud across eastern coast, a continued risk of showers into the afternoon as well. But for the north and west, it will likely stay dry, particularly in central areas as well. It should stay dry through the day, and there'll be plenty of sunshine across Scotland, Northern Ireland, Wales into southwestern England as well. And in the sunshine, particularly if you're sheltered from that wind, similar to it has been in this week so far, highs of around 15 or 16 degrees. So not bad at all, but quite a difference along that east coast. Temperatures still capped below double digits on Wednesday, so certainly a chillier feel here. And we'll continue to see that chilly feel through Wednesday night. In fact, it's likely to be one of the colder nights of the week on Wednesday night. And we could see a more wide air frost developing. We could see a bit of a frost developing even in some southern counties of England as well. But it should be a fairly dry night. There will be some patchy cloud, perhaps some mist and fog around, but I think most areas should stay dry and clear throughout the night. Then on to Thursday, we start to see a bit of a feature potentially develop in the North Sea. This brings a greater risk of some showery outbreaks of rain, particularly into the afternoon on Thursday. But in the morning, it should be a fairly dry and bright start. But even across western areas and Scotland, where it has been a bright few days, there'll be a bit more cloud around on Thursday. So cloudier skies and a cold start to the day mean that temperatures won't reach the heights that they will have done on Tuesday and Wednesday. So just highs of around 11 or 12 degrees, which is a little below average for this time of year. And then looking ahead to Friday, as I said, we start to see some rain arrive from the west. That'll likely push into south and western areas through Friday, and temperatures could rise into the weekend to be much closer to average. You can find out more details in that in our 10-day trend on YouTube tomorrow. Bye-bye.